My room is on the second floor. My room is on the second floor. Icyumba cyanjye kiri ku nyubako ya kabiri. My room is on the second floor. Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? Wakwihangana ukamfasha iki? Sure, I can help you. Sure, I can help you. Yego rwose nagufasha. Sure, I can help you. I don't know. I don't know. Ntabwo mbizi. No, I don't want it. No, I don't want it. Oya, ntabwo mbishaka. No, I don't want it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nyihanganire gato. Excuse me. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Uri kuntera igihe. You are wasting my time. Thank you for today. Thank you for today. Wakoze kubw'uyu munsi. Thank you for today. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Mumbabarire kubarogoya. I'm sorry to interrupt you. The temperature will come down tomorrow. The temperature will come down tomorrow. Ubushyuhe buzagabanyuka ejo. The temperature will come down tomorrow. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Uri kunyumva? There is something wrong. There is something wrong. Hari ikitagenda neza. You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. Ni wowe nshingano zanjye. Do as you please. Do as you please. Kora uko bishaka. Do as you please. Well done, dear. Well done, dear. Ukoze neza mukundwa. Well done, dear. Where are you? Uri hehe? Where are you? How can I go to the town? How can I go to the town? Ni gute najya mu mujyi? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Ese nagira icyo nkubaza? You can ask me anything. You can ask me anything. Wambaza icyo ari cyo cyose.
Wait. Here with me, I have books, mufitiye ibitabo. This is vocabulary book, igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'icyongereza ndetse n'ikinyarwanda. This is dictionary of English and Kinyarwanda. Niba mu gihe uri kuvuga icyongereza amagambo akubana makeya, this is a book that can help you. Igitabo cyagufasha mu gihe uri kuvuga, ntabwo ukeneye kuba uri gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha, you have to keep speaking, and this is the book that will help you with that. Ikindi gitabo kizagufasha ibyo. Ikindi, niba uri umutangizi ukaba ushaka kuzamura urwego rwawe rw'icyongereza, this is Begin Smart to End Smart with more than 200 pages, pages zirenga 200. Harimo icyongereza ndetse gisobanuye mu kinyarwanda, 200 pages. Harimo amasomo yibanze yose ku muntu ushaka gutangira ku icyongereza, ateguye neza ku buryo wumva ibyo uri kwiga ukabisobanukirwa. Iki gitabo niyo waba usanzwe uzi icyongereza ushaka kuvuga ngo reka nige icyongereza none nkihereye mu mizi, cyagufasha. And again, if you have a problem to describe the actions, niba ugira ikibazo cyo kubasobanurira ibikorwa uri gukora, dufite igitabo kirimo verbs, inshinga. Harimo regular verbs, inshinga zikurikiza amategeko, hakabamo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza, modal verbs. Iki gitabo cyagufasha ugashobora gusobanura ibikorwa biri kuba, ibikorwa byabaye, ibikorwa bizaba. Iyo ukeneye kuba wasobanura ibikorwa, iki gitabo cyagufasha. Harimo inshinga, buri nshinga isobanuye mu kinyarwanda, ndetse tukaguha n'urugero kuri buri nshinga. This book can help you to describe the actions. Tukaba tugufite igitabo kirimo dialogs, ibiganiro. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogs, ibiganiro by'icyongereza ndetse bisobanuye no mu kinyarwanda kuri topics zigiye zitandukanye, ku ngingo zigiye zitandukanye. Iki gitabo cyagufasha kuko iyo tuvuga dukoresha ibiganiro. Iki gitabo rero kirimo ibiganiro ndetse bisobanuye mu cyongereza no mu kinyarwanda. If you need one of our books, uba ukeneye kimwe muri ibi bitabo cyangwa se byose ukaba ubikeneye, watumenyesha kuri 0780 29 312. Let's continue the lesson.
Where were you born? Wavukiye he? I was born in Rwanda. I was born in Rwanda. Navukiye mu Rwanda. Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? Wakuriye hehe? I grew up in Rwanda too. I grew up in Rwanda too. Mu Rwanda ni naho nakuriye. I grew up in Rwanda too. The soil of that place is fertile. The soil of that place is fertile. Ubutaka bwa hariya hantu burarumbuka. The soil of that place is fertile. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? Nuhe mwarimu ukunda? Who is your favorite teacher? How old are you? How old are you? Ufite imyaka ingahe? How old are you? Hurry up. Ihute. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the bus. Hurry up, otherwise you will miss the bus. ihute bitari ibyo uri buze kubura imodoka. Can I help you? Can I help you? Nagufasha. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. Sinkeneye ubufasha bwawe. I don't need your advice. I don't need your advice. Sinkeneye inama zawe. I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Nzaza ejo. I will come again. I will come again. Nzagaruka. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Uzi ibyo nshatse kuvuga? Do you know what I mean? I apologize for being late. I apologize for being late. Ndi gusaba imbabazi kubwo gukererwa. My room is on the second floor. My room is on the second floor. Icyumba cyanjye kiri ku nyubako ya kabiri. My room is on the second floor. Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? Wakwihangana ukamfasha iki? Sure, I can help you. Sure, I can help you. Yego rwose nagufasha. Sure, I can help you.